Hey there, welcome to dbaPlatform. Today we'll be demonstrating how to navigate our Near Me Metrics data dashboards. After signing into your account, you'll see Near Me Metrics on the left-hand side menu. When clicking into Near Me Metrics, you'll see that you have multiple dashboards to select, from performance metrics to local authority and more. For the purpose of today's video, we've selected performance metrics. Within every dashboard, you'll have the following sections. Located at the top is the filter bar. Directly below that is the date range and comparison range. And below that are the data sections. The filter bar allows you to narrow down the data set based on many factors, including group, location, and tags. It also allows you to select the time frame that you would like to see and the comparison time frame. You can select from a preset or create your own custom time frame. Once selections are made in the filter bar, make sure to hit that blue refresh button in the top right-hand corner so that everything is updated on the page. The second section that you need to know is the date range, current, and comparison. This is located directly under the filter bar. Make sure that these are set correctly before analyzing or setting up alerts and reports. The third section on every dashboard are the data sections. These sections show you a total, the delta, and the comparison period. Below that, it also shows you a map for changes over time. To summarize, every data dashboard within Near Me Metrics will have three main sections. First, the filter bar. Secondly, the date range and summary. And then third, the data sections. These are the three main areas to understand when looking at data in Near Me Metrics. Learn more about Near Me Metrics by viewing our other how-to videos, or get started now by using your own Near Me Metrics reporting.